Hey everyone, it's Blakely with Everyday Gourmet. So I love this time of year, cranberries and oranges and everything delicious. I'm going to show you an amazing breakfast recipe. I love scones, obviously. If you watch these videos, I always make scones. I'm going to do a cranberry, orange, white chocolate scone. It's going to be so good, so easy, so festive. I'll show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so I've always been a big scone girl, if you haven't noticed. So this is a really great, super easy recipe. In here, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of light brown sugar. I can get it out, get out. I have 3½ teaspoons of baking powder, as well as 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So I'm just gonna mix this together, just like this. And this is easy enough to do like any time during the holidays, but it's also really kind of fancy and festive feeling. It'd be great for Christmas morning. Okay, so now that that is mixed together, I have 1 stick, which is 8 tablespoons or like a 1/2 cup of some butter here that is really chilled. So what I do is I always like to dice it up and then put it back in the fridge to let it chill until I need it. So with our hands, we're just gonna rub this butter just like this. Rub it really good. Just kind of pinch it through your fingers is what you want to do. You can also use a pastry cutter, or if you want to use a food processor, you can, but I kind of like getting down and dirty with it. Okay, so this is done. As you can see, there's really no big pieces of butter in there. Maybe a little tiny bit, but it's okay. So in here, I have 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of half and half. I'm going to do some fresh orange zest right in here. Oh yeah, gonna brighten it up nicely. Let's say about a teaspoon. Fresh orange zest right in there. I'm gonna do an egg yolk. I'm gonna do some vanilla extract, about a teaspoon. So I'm gonna give this a good mix. Mix it all together. And pour it right in here. Make sure you get all that orange zest out. I'm just gonna mix it all together here. All right, this is looking good. And I just realized I just told you the wrong proportion, the wrong portion of the flour. It's actually 2 3/4 cup. Sorry. Hopefully you could write that down so you don't do it wrong. Okay, this looks perfect. So now we're gonna add in 1/2 cup, oh, lost one, 1/2 cup of fresh cranberries. I'm also gonna do like let's see how many is it? It's like 1/4 cup of some white chocolate chips right in here. And these are gonna be so tasty. So excited, yum. So just like this, so all those cranberries are evenly distributed. Okay, so now, I have a sheet tray with parchment paper. And what I'm going to do is empty out this dough. This is what I love about scones. They're just so easy. You don't have to be too you don't have to worry about it too much. It's just going to be, they can be weird shape. You don't have to worry about it. Right, and then I'm just going to take some flour on my hands and kind of form a nice, very uneven circle. Perfect. I just keep adding a little bit of all-purpose flour to my hands. So you want it about a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch thick, excuse me. Just not doing good with the portions here. Okay, that looks perfect. So now what I like to do, I just take flour and kind of rub my knife in the flour so nothing sticks. Like I said, don't have to be perfect. That's what I love about scones. So just kind of take the excess off. Put some more flour. Just keep doing this, just like this. So then we are just going to brush the tops with some half and half. And we're gonna put them into our oven, 400 degrees, about 17 to 20 minutes until they're beautiful, golden brown, and heavenly looking. Can't wait. All right, in they go. So this is looking gorgeous. I just kind of cut them, they're done, so they can kind of cool just a tiny bit. So what I'm gonna do, oh yes, they smell so good. Gotta try the bite. Ew. I love scones because they're not too sweet, you know? Okay, so in here, I have 1 cup of powdered sugar. And I'm just gonna measure like a teaspoon at a time. Definitely gonna need like, it's crazy how little liquid that you need to make this glaze. So 2 teaspoons in here. See how it's looking? See, look at how much it's going already. Okay, let's do 1 more. And this is the fresh squeeze step that I use the zest in there. Gotta use the good stuff. Hello, going to all this trouble. All right, let's do 4. See how that's looking. It's probably gonna be good. All right, 1 more. But trust me, it's a lot easier to do it this way. It's gonna be so good. I think that should be good. You want it thick so it doesn't run off as soon as you put it on there, but you want it thin enough where you can drizzle it. Perfect. 5 teaspoons. So then, just like this. My mom was here, she'd be like, double this recipe. Her favorite part is the glaze of anything. All right, like that. How beautiful. This is gonna be so good. So perfect for the holidays. Cannot wait to try it. So these scones are freaking gorgeous and they're delicious. So festive, so full of flavor. You're gonna love them, they're so easy. So there you have my cranberry orange white chocolate chip scones. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to Everyday Gourmet with Blakely for more delicious recipes and videos.